In this area of our platform called Teach, you can expand the chatbot's knowledge base. Let's explore it together. On the left, there is the list of questions that the chatbot has to answer. Chatbot answers are already populated with default information that you can modify whenever you want. The second part contains all your additional questions you may want to add to the knowledge base. To edit a question, move to the right area and click on a bubble. By doing so, you can edit the information. Always remember that your work will be completed when both indicators are green. You can add new information to the chatbot manually or through the automatic mode shown in the previous video. To manually add information to the knowledge base, click the button as shown in the video. Assign a title, write an answer, possibly including links, images, or videos, and add at least 5 alternative ways in which your users might ask for this information. Even in this case, you can add different ways to ask the question manually or by using generative AI as shown in the video. Once your work is saved, the question will be added to the knowledge base and your chatbot will be able to handle it.